So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the person we will call President, but more than that, the President we will call Kuya, and to many of us, he will be our father. Walang iba po kung hindi si Presidente Mayor Rodrigo Roa.
This will take a little bit longer than the talk of Alan. May gabi kanilang tanan. Who came here to share the moment with me. Salamat sa inyong pagdalo karong gabi. I'd like to announce this Tuesday. Lalabas ko maya sabi, I have to meet, I do not feel comfortable gani ata. Do not be offended when you go around, but kung naidaghang tao na kung galing niya, nalusoy ko. And I was trying to argue with the PSG noong unang adlaw because I drove them out to task force daw. I said, ayaw. If I want to die, I want to die alone. I do not want to drag other people. Sabi ng PSG, alam mo sir, naniniwala kang kami sa iyo. We will obey you. Except for sa trabaho namin because the order does not come from you. It comes from our man-made sa batas. So, when I could no longer reach out to you, sanay kasi ako sa agad ko sulot ko mga tao ay probinsano ang akong upbringing. That is why it would, I said that, feel awkward na labyan ako mga tao. Di na ako sila istorya lang. Salamat sa ilang tao. Yung survey kasi noon, the earlier surveys that conducted here all over the country showed me trailing. It was just about 3, 4, 5. There is a Visayas. And they were worried. Ingnan ako sila, ayaw mo ka doon. Kaya landslide ko din sa Cebu. Doon kayo nag-politika. Doon kayo nag-politika. Actually, the elder brother sa akong amahan, Ramon Duterte, once upon a time, the mayor of Cebu City. Ang iyang anak, si Ronnie, for a short while, became also acting mayor of Cebu. Kami, tungkol sa kapobrehon, ikan lang sa Danao. And my father and mother maybe decided to migrate to other places in Mindanao. I remember riding in a Studebaker truck. But that was the truck that brought us to the, but we had to take the long and winding roads of Mindanao to reach Davao. It was also a long and winding road of sacrifice and action. Kasi I was about 4 years old na. So nakikita ko na yung the play of life. And as a matter of fact, we suffered a demolition. I could still, even if the molecules of my brain can gather again the smell of the wetlands of doon kami ng tayo ng bahay. And the sloganeering at the time was go to Mindanao because it is a land of promise, which was not really the case. It was just a sloganeering of the Americans kasi gusto nilang, of course, Mindanao, they have noticed that long time ago na walang bagyo, fertile ang lupa, and so they can get more because of the climate. And no Moro ever was willing to work for them. Christian sila. At that time, you know, when Magellan landed in Leyte, 80 years before, Islam ang Mindanao because Mindanao was part of a sultanate that was not a part of the Visayas. Kaya yan sila, they can relate more with the Malaysians sa Sabah. Because they belong in the old days, they belong to that group there. So, when they developed Mindanao, they had to call in the Visayas. Ngayon naman, naloko, gaya namin, lalo with that part of our lives, sila tayo, pumunta doon. So I said, yung Matina pati, Pinto Davao, Matina pati, Jacinto, to walk every day. Because my mother was also teaching sa Santa Elementary School. Yun ang buhay. And then my father, my faith, Kachamba, he became governor. Life was a little bit easy. Then when we lost our mother, we went back to paying our debts. And one time, I was second year na kami ni Bit a year. I was about to give up because our allowance was in 3 years na. By installments, per week na. My mother had to sell the properties. Yun ang. So, probinsyano. Ang tanong ito, di Manila, idiocy, is that we want people in the national scene almost coming also to them, those who are known. Ang problema nito ganito. I am from Mindanao. From a city just about facing Australia, on a clear day, makikita mo yung mga puti doon. It was far. Tapos ang crowd po Davao City. Then I went to study in Manila. I ended my studies for 10 years sa Luzon. Ngayon, yung ang nagkilala ko, ang kailan na ako, ang taga Davao, o ang akong mga classmates, o akong mga brad, kasanday lang. I was not the social type, and nobody was inviting me in the social gatherings of Manila. So wala akong kilala kung sino bright pati idiot doon. So, when the time came, ayun ang crowd ko eh. Eskwelahan, dormitoryo, pati Davao City. Yan ang kinala ko. Wala na akong kalabit doon na ito. Sino ba pangalan mo? Bright ka raw. So when the time came, I choose, of course, taga Davao. Therefore, the speaker, ang sabot mo lang ng kumpanya with federalism, it ended up with, now the speaker of the house. Ana lang ang mong sabot. And do you know why I was really very insistent about Mindanao? Kasi hindi nakuha. Everybody seems to have forgotten the age-old problem. As I have said, 80 to 100 years before Magellan landed in Leyte, Mindanao was already Islam. Ngayon naman ang problema. And they promised the Moro people that they would redeem the race and generation. And they're going to war. And from the looks of it, yung kalaban words, water under the bridge. But nobody was talking about Mindanao. Hirap kami doon. You know, the cathedral was bombed twice. On Easter Sunday and on Christmas Eve. Ang airport, just as the passengers were going up to the terminal to get the rides, pumutok. At ang pangkalan. It's a bit scary really. Nobody's talking how do we solve the problem. I will tell you now. Mark my word. baka makuha ko, baka hindi ko makuha. Nothing but nothing will solve the problem now of Mindanao except federalism. Nagwala kayo. Nahilot ka na lang namok na. Murad said you will go to war without the PBM. Promises after promises heaped on the more people. And then wala. And they promised that before they get out of power, nandyan yung BBM. So actually, Murad is sharpening his tools. Kasi sinabi namin, mag-crazy Pilipinas. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo talaga galit ka, do not take it against your brother's name. You go to Manila, dalhin na natin yung mga TNT niyo, pati yung mga IED ninyo. Doon natin paputukin sa Malacanang, pati sa Congress. Kasi yung mga gago, ang tanong walang ginawa. Hindi naman tayo. Bakit mabumbahan ng gago? Bakit mabumbahan ng simba? Wala namang kasalanan. Sabi ko, and if you start the revolution now, tapos during the compare, I told them straight, ang siyala, God willing, pag ako ang nanalo, magpatayan tayo. My grandfather was Chinese, Lam. Yan ang istorya ko. Ang may son, pati ni Pastor, yung mayor na, vice mayor na yun, married a lady whose mother is in Maranao, whose father is a Tauso. What am I supposed to do? Yung magkagera. Where do I point my gun? At the moral? Or to the Christian? Wala lang sa salita niya. So nobody was giving us even an insight of how to solve this country. Let alone the law and order problem and drugs. And the long administration never really took a hard stand against drugs. So tignan natin, tignan mo ngayon. We have this problem and it's flooding the country. Kaya, hindi ako tatakbo sa pagdating pupunta. But there's another one, personal na to. It was a statement passed on by the speaker. People were just trying to sort out what to do about Mindanao. I took it really as a personal effort. Yun ang, kaya ako tumakbo. Tapos because of Mindanao, ano wala sila ginawa sa problema? Yung akin yun, huwag ka na magtanong kung saan yun. Yung iniwan sa Malate na 10 kilos, iniwan na sa kotse tapos walang driver, walang lahat. O siguro iniwan mo yan dyan. Wala na yun. Tinapon mo gusto. Alam mo bakit? Technically, the price namin galing ni Susan. Believe mo. Doon umpisa, tapos doon rin namin nakuha yung kita mo, saan na makita dito? Where do you find in this planet the world where they have the penal institutions, where the low life are gathered there, and they continue to book the books and commit crime and live like kings. Bae, known lahat. So, unexplorated po din because hindi natin pasok. Ito, paghintay ninyo. Si Rainier, sa Bucor ngayon, Rainier, Cruz, Rainier Cruz, very good. Is a veteran sa Mindanao. Pero, lagyan mo ng jammers. Nakakabili naman sila na mas madalas yung that it can overcome the jamming instruments of weapons that we have had. How do you solve the problem? Sabi ko doon sa mga people, you solve your problem now because I will solve it for you kung nagutan ko. Sinabi ko, I do not want anybody standing there. But that's also the problem with the Abu Sayyaf. The Abu Sayyaf actually is connected with the Mindanao issue. I never talk about it. But we have to do something about it. The weapons of the Abu Sayyaf are the original weapons in the hands really of the rebels fighting for an ideology of a government of their own. It's a crafted ideology yan. Ngayon, yung Suarez, yung sino-sinong leader, did not or cannot deliver. That is why in desperation, yung mga bata nag-peel off na. And now they are beyond control. So there will be a time that I have to say to them, to declare to them, surrender with no conditions and release all hostages. Basta ako, because our intelligence, kaya nag-briefing rin ako kanina, that's why I was late, I was briefed doon sa KASAP. Na KASAP is the Air Force base that ating there will be another institution of the state. Sabi ko karoon na, ay pabor pa rin sa ako, kasi ako ng panahon. Laki lang na, umuang, hindi na ako. Pero kung ikaw na rin sa akong panahon, may black eye na diya, gusto ka na. Naku, pero kaya ako na ka, gusto na. But the region,
Saman, okay na na?
Nagreklamo lang yun.
Told me every day to talk to me. Ano mga gawa ko? They're asking for 650 million. 600 million. Ang problema, kung ilang bilog ko dito sa ipakita nila, yun yung may pera. Yun yung ang pinamila dyan sa kumpong ng mas nagkayo, mas financing all of this. Ang pobre, wala rin kaya.
Pag-headset, parang karong audio.
Nakita yung problema. Saya, I talked to started talking at 2 o'clock in the morning. We ended at 7. Ganon ang mga purpose na something to do with. No. So, give us a desire until moving time. Working to do natin. Kaya, you cannot touch anything about the police, the military, kung mas may ano. At yung mga DA, I was about to give them the DNR. Ang problema, I realized after that, and after that, I was giving, may mga minahan eh. Mayroon ko control mining sa Mindanao. Busluki. Very story mo. Ayan ang, that's my short. But immediately earlier, I promise you, I will stop corruption. It will stop. With DOTC, ano niya karoon? You were member of Congress and you were sold out to be with DOTC. Number of 15. marunong. Get Aguirre, Victoria, Mr. Ryan Lawyer. At isiwag tuloy, tulong, talabas tuloy. Yan, hindi naman. Nasa ito tayo. Yung mga bright na, actually, I'm surrounded by, Borresa was cycle, was the valedictorian. Sunny Dominguez, valedictorian yan. Art Tugade is the valedictorian. Ini semua nila, hindi naman lahat. Tugade is from Tugigaraw. Bit is from Quezon na. Distributed naman. Kung mo nakita, kasi Sangreda. Okay ang ano natin. Para in good hands. Consider only people. All good yan, all good. Ang si ano, yung manager sa airport, noon, Arcusi. Brilliant. Lahat yan mga marunong. Puro ng mga scholar, ako lang ang 75. The class of 75, average 75 that rules. We can't tell right now. Ayaw ko naman. Sige, aral-aral ako. Ang mag-away ng mama, gusto mo magkaroon dito. Sige, paano ako? Sige lang doon, bakit ano sa kamo mo? Kaya gusto ko minor mo na yung anak. Ulit ka? Yung anak natin, dinudo ko niya, hindi na niya. So yan ang goal nito. Wala, I do not have the credits. I am not the one to I am not the one to graduate, neither he. Ang tinawag sa amon sa Wardon. Iba ka kisay ka bulgar niya? Suntihan mo? Congressman Lagdameo o si Bongbong Marcos.
Dole na speaker
Ano po si Bongbong sabihin? Huwag ka lang maingay, basta sabihin ko sa iyo. Talawan, anong yawa, ano? Madlog, anong... Yun. Well, ito si... Pero okay po ito kayo na... Bilis naka-insulto ko mo. Mo di mapildi nga... Mar, 3 beses ka na mo siya. Ninervous ka ata. Ninervous hindi ay. Kung sila, ngayon sa daang matuwid, so, moderator, might as well tell him to use a tape recorder. It's the same thing all over again. May magpudang, may manang sa debate lang ka, minarama ba? Kaya asunod sa debate ka ng open field, tuwas na ka sa anang specific federalism. Kung ka ng free for all, yun na lang ka diha. You know, I realized very early in the game na you're only given 1 minute, 30 seconds ng klaseng debate. So, ako bulit na lang. Never deliver the script. But I will do this. Diyan, bawi na ako dito pag question and answer. Pagtana ng akanes, kaya ne. Kaya gani ang maestra, pinaka-maestra akong nailang, tapos na akong mama. Ano? Ayan si Beto. Mag-graduate na lang ko sa law school, nakapag-ibaril. Sumunod sa eskwelahan. Wala pa ko pa ba na sa tanggal mga pare yawa. Wala ko pa ba na sa exercises, graduation. Wala ko pa katong diploma sa stage. May nabaril ako. Pero lusot lang yapon. Paningot ko sa akong mga yawa. Kaya kung tanang slur daw, yan ang mahirap. Yung mga bisaya, tuntong yan. Dili niya akong mga brother, bukutan namin. Mahatlak mo po yun po silon. Ayun, gano'n. Gano'n doon nag-umpisa eh. Itik-itik siya kamoto, utang ina mo, pag tinamaan ako, babarilin kita. Ay naigo yung ngayon, hindi po sila ako. Igda na yun. So those are the things in life. Nagkakagagian ng problema actually. Yung nandyan na tapos makulgot gani. Pero kakalusot pa rin ako. Ang kadaot lang ato kay si pangutana akong mama. Rodrigo, pero sa mga graduation ninyo, di ay. Sa'yo ko mag-ulit ako. Sabi ng pare, madati, Marciano lawyers na yan, si Gubot yun ang Menjola. Nagulungan mo, si buto-buto, kaya mga flamethrower, di na lang daw una, kaya magmisa na lang daw sa magapo mo na mong chapel at St. Avis. At doon na lang daw ito, pero ang diploma ihatag. Pwede pa daw karoon. Ano ba? Kausa, galing karibang mga maestro sa Breda, nag-immersion. Yato sa Bukidnon, there's a church there in Bukidnon, Transfiguration of Christ. May mo kanta ng monk sa San Beda. Gwapo yung dead process. And you can hear it if you go there. It's a very solemn place. Gwapo ang ambience. Dito sila. Kung sa'yo nakaong si Lacson, Regent Salo. Punta tayo ng Davao kasi na doon yung mayor. Kasi San Beda yun. Kung nato kung nato, wala mo ko sa Taiwan. Liyain mo ang nanay, yan na lang. Di pag-abot na to sa party pailihilan. Ito yung nanay ni mayor. Munta na ako mama ron. Father, yung bang graduation ng nila Rodrigo? Ano ba yan? Natuloy ba yun? Bakit nga po na Lacson? Tuloy man. Bakit? Sabi ng anak ko, wala na lang daw ko nagubot. Yan ang sinabi ng anak mo? Oo. Ang anak ko na-expelled dyan dahil baril niya yung... Ipag-uli na rin ko sa mga patawag ko, anong imo mag-uli? Punto. Dahil ako, lagot mo Father Lacson. Great ako kay Father Lacson. Sabi ko, putang ino, pare mo sa mamatayan. Namatay. Sabi kagad ng klase. Punta tayo sa abi kay gihaya, giburol si Lacson. Ay putang inang bahok na siya. Bahala na. Wala ko ilabot niya. Kayo lang pumunta doon. Burol-burol. Bahok na ito karoon. Muna ako gagawin na ito. Samo kayo na pinabuhi. Pero kalusot ng po. Munang ayaw di ako ilahat. Kaya mga taga-munting daw palit siya ka. Mantay na. Pagkaon yung itlog nila. I would go. The Republic of the Philippines with a functioning government, and yet you cannot enter the penitentiary anytime you want because you have to negotiate. Itong mga drug lords, kasi pati polis, muna ikadaot ya. Diba na ang law enforcement eh. Mag-parade ka. Muna ako, anak na lang yun. Pakanpon ko po ng mga yawa. Daw na ko sa prisuan, yung pagkuman, ma-release na po, balik na po sa mutong yun. Kaya nga eh, Nabi ko kay Dilima, kaya ko hindi pinatayan kasi madaldal ka. O ayan, convicted. O, papasok. O pagdating doon, anong kasalanan? Ganun, kung bakit napasok siya. Nagluluto rin lang siya ulit. Ito kabuo ang gobyerno mo. Lago, hindi na. Patya na. Dilima, pasag din na. Obispo, pasag din na. Sabi ito, at iba ko, conservative ang Cebu. But we cannot, you know, I have now to protect an entity called the Republic of the Philippines. I have to protect everybody and see to it that our children are protected for tomorrow's duty. Now I was protecting a community of 2 million people in Davao City. You are protecting the rights of a criminal. So, noon, when I was a practicing lawyer, my client was the criminal. And so I gave it all. But that was before. Now I am mayor at ang kalaban ko na kriminal. Ay, pasensya ka. Wala na tayong magawa niyan. I cannot speculate na ito ba. Ang sinabi ko lang sa mga taga-gobyerno police, do not lie to me. Ayaw yung pamakag sa ako. Basta sila, just like taxes. You just pay the correct taxes. Your rules with the BIR are over. Wala na may problema. You just pay the cost. Do not enter into yung, kaya gano'n yung billing ng gobyerno, sundin mo, bayaran mo. Wala nang examination. I will not allow. Ka na magpadang suwat, wala na. So, you are free of the corruption sa BIR. And pag meron, just give me a ring and I will solve the problem for you or mismo. Diyan. Hindi na ito madala sa istorya, di ipat yun Na, the Secretary of Justice is here din coming. Most of us are lawyers. Alam mo, every time, alam mo, inutil ng administrasyon. May onslaught kasi ng Congress, human rights, tapos nandyan pa yung ombudsman. Kaya takot lahat I was, pero ito, kursunada mo lang. Nagustuhan ko ito. It's a very simple sentence actually in the Constitution. Which says, the President has the power to pardon the criminal offender, either conditional or absolute, or grant amnesty with the concurrence of Congress. Amnesty is marami. So, what do you make out of that provision? The President can grant pardon, absolute or conditional. So, sabihin ko sa iyo, huminto ka. Ayaw mo huminto, sabihin ko, patayin mo. Patayin mo. Ito, sir, nadimanda namin, sir. Sige. Yung mga anak ko tawag ko sa kamera, sabi ko, huwag ka maingay. Kanyan man ako ano? Di ba ka mong kailan ako? Tawag ka tawag. Totoo. Di ba? Tawag ko ako sa ito doon. Kaya mong garbin mo. Kaya ko kopya sa pagpunggit. Resign na. Butang imungan. At ito si Judge. Lambos na siya lamisa. Pardon. Ipiton mo ako ng laro-laro ka dyan ng kagagawa ko mga abogado pa rin bit-abir pati ang abogado patayin mo pardon let's see gano'n pag inipit sabi ko nga do not box me kausap ko yung mga congressman sila sabi ko do not huwag ninyo akong Investigar, tapos ano. Huwag mong gawin niya. Okay. Eventually, the road will end up with me. The buck stops here. So, mag-away tayo niyan. Basta ako yung tinaro. As long as it is really the truth. Even masabihin na kasi basta kriminal. Kaya ang offer ko ngayon is 5 million. Ang sindikato daw nag-put up ng 10 million para sa buhay ko. O doblado, 20 million. Ano pa may sobrang campaign funds? Iwa may nihatag na ako. Ilang burger kami ko nimo. Wala ka silang butuko na ako. Actually, I was but those were the amounts that I used to really, I could not travel because of no money. So yun lang ano, but when my ratings went to 22, so ng kwarta. So some game, yung iba naman, hindi ko huwag na lang kasi it's too late na. And even if you want to set up buying stations, you have to have the organization pa mapumusubay na mga kartag na abot mo yun. Kaya ihatag ng last minute, iba kagisay mo bulsa na, yung leader. Hindi na ihatag. Ay, sa... Duga sa politika. Kahit ako, so, sabihin ko sa'yo, may pera man dito. Oh, sige, ihatag doon eh. So, ang ano ko, basta drug lord. Ang sa Cebu kay buutan ng mga tao nga rin, may premium 5,500,000. So, dungagan ako gamay. Kaya ko ako'y makita ang drug lord, himuha ang drug lord, yung inventuan. Dito siya buda, kadakad doon sa bayan, kung sila. Kaya nga, itong mga pulis, nagaganda ng bahay, hindi naman. Dahil mga pulis, sa'yo kayong ambisyon. Makadakop kung siya mo 10 kilos. Okay. Ano yan na? 1 kilo. Gano'n yung recycle. Ara ang gawa kaya. Gano'n ang laro. Muna usay madakpa nila dako. 5 kilos. O ingon lang mere possession. Mere possession is billable. Kanya magagawas ka. So na ilang, sige, ipagawas na lang nako sa investigation nga gamay ra kayo ang quantity. Doon ang magagawas. Ang mga pulisa mo, utang, apil mo, ihaw. Kaya sabi ko, kung now on, so sana naiman yung mayroon kayo dito mga mayor na sa droga, listan ko nagsak. Lagay ko yung sak. Tapos sabihin mo yung kilala nyo na ngayon, kailan nyo. Sabi ni Duterte, patayin mo. Patayin mo yung mayor mo. Ngayon, kung ikaw chief of police, pati mayor naglaro, adi patayin mo kayong dalawa. Pardon. May problema na, pardon. Maligya ka na siya po. Kasi gusto mo po na, may pardon. I do not want to go to the extreme. But I said, I am asking for a reversal of these things. If I cannot get it the right way, then I will do it the wrong way. Because I have this one duty to protect the Republic. Because kasi kung i-right duty ko lang palagi, walang nangyayari sa buhay natin. Because tignan mo naman yung experience natin hanggang ngayon. But I'm not binding anybody there. Kasi mato pa, a bit of your is listening. I will not bind you to. Akin yung bahala kayo dyan. Basta kanya-kanya tayo lang. Basta kung hindi kita makuha sa sniper. Sniper. Lagyo ko na. Katumba na pa. Kirig-kirig, kasi natok ko rin mo. Tanawar. Ito mo, yun na sila. So, kanang mga dagro na sakay-sakay o mga SUV na armor plating. Pag Kapot din mo sa inyong balay, ito ano kasi mong karto. Diba? Huwag ko ninyo binuangin. Those are the things that I'm joking. Dari karon but sa likod ana, it's really the caveat. It's really the plea. Ako stop it. Stop. Para sa ayaw kong gamitin yan. I do not want to use extraordinary, but I'm also asking you to stop. I plead for you to stop fucking this country. And we will be alright. Wala tayong problema. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, President-elect Mayor Duterte. Thank you.